Asam amakaliar kita.
Ki Pulit ke Ribhoi, ki Pynlong ia ke Jing Talasi ia ki kali hinden kemiet, da ke Jing temu banrat dengkong ia ki kam snew batru ban lam, ia ki nongnya kali ki belabu aj bat penhia stet ia ki kali. Kene ka Jing Talasi ke lalong hadien ke Jing du hado ar phongut ki men sim breu ha ke Jing ja accident, ha ki surok na ke daw ke Jing nya kali klem akor bat hapdeng ke Jing bu aj. Tang ha ubenai beladap. Ia kene ke Jing Talasi kali layalam da Superintendent of Police ke Ribhoi u VS Rathor. Kene ke Jing Talasi ke lalong ru ban te lakam halor ka Jing nang jelai ki kam khayi drog ka Jing syatu jong ki kali bat ka Jing wan rung ki nong Bangladesh sya kene ke Thain. Na ke liang ki Pulit ki la pentikna ba ki nyai beteng ia kene ke Jing Talasi na kapor syakapor kenam bakan wan ra ia ke Jing shinga ni ki patba ha ke district.
As far as this district is concerned, there are 3-4 major types of crime where life and property is lost. One of the most important offenses is road traffic accidents. Last 3-4 months, we have seen more than 20 deaths because of these traffic accidents. So when we analyzed all these incidents, we found out that most of these accidents have happened because of 3-4 more reasons, mostly.
Agatan Laskin block Jonka West Giant Hills district